Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Excel Book. Today's video is about an update added to MS Excel recently, which is Search in Menu command. But before that, subscribe to our channel if you haven't and press the bell icon and never miss an update from us. So what is this new Search in Menu command? Say we have a data in a worksheet. If we right click on a cell, shortcut menu command will appear as usual, which gives us various options right from cut copy paste option to inserting a hyperlink. Now recently Excel has added a feature to shortcut menu command, which is search in menu command. Here you can type and you will get an option as per your convenience. For example, if I write bold, select the option and press enter, my cell will get bold automatically. Similarly, I can select two cells and write in search in menu command as merge. Those two cells will merge. Or select the data and type filter in search in menu command and it will apply filter to the selected cells. So how does it helpful? It's simple. This option will help you avoid search or command from different ribbons across the sheet. For example, if we want to check trace precedent of a cell, we don't need to search the same under different ribbons. We can right click the cell and type trace precedent and our job will be done. This new option helps us save time and efforts. Let us know what you think of this option in the comment section. So that's it in today's video. If you find this video interesting and knowledgeable, then subscribe to our channel, like this video, and if you have any queries, then write the same in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.